Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix administrator permission issue in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First we need to start a change account type to administrator. To do that, first you need to press Windows plus I in your computer keyboard. Under the system section, you need to choose accounts in the left side menu and choose family and other users under the account setting. Now you need to select the user account you need to change. In here currently I have this account. Just tap on it and tap on change account type, and it is administrator. Tap on it and tap on standard user, then after tap on OK. Then it will be convert into standard user account, and if it is in standard user you can change it to administrative account. Just cancel this one, then it will be able to choose the administrative operations. And if you need to modify the folder permissions, you need to choose the folder. In my case I would like to go here, and on the download section I would like to choose this folder, this compressed one. Right click on it, go to properties and go to security tab. Click on edit in here, select the user account and check full control. In my case this one is my user account and it is already allow the full control. You can choose like this accounts and make sure turn on full control here, and then after tap on OK and OK again. And you can use command prompt to advanced fixes. To do that you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type net user, hit enter. You can see I am in Bytebit account, that is administrative account. You can, to change the status of account, you can type net user, then you need to username. In my case it is Bytebit, and /active, double tap yes, hit enter. Then after you can change the status of an account. If it should be disabled, make sure this one is no. Okay, and that also not working, you have to restart Windows Explorer. To do that, right click on the taskbar and go to task manager, find in the app section Windows Explorer, scroll down, it is usually in the upper lower part of the in here you can see Windows Explorer. Now you need to tap on restart it, then it will be restart the Windows Explorer. Close this one now, and that also not working. You have to check group policy setting, that is only available for Windows 11 Pro. To do that you need to press Windows plus R. In here you need to type gpedit.msc, hit enter. Now you need to navigate user configuration part and choose administrative templates, double tap on it, a little bit open, and go to start menu, double tap on it. Then after you need to I'm going to expand this one. In the right side menu, choose remove the network icon option here. It is in here, it little bit low. Tap on it, double tap on it, make sure it is in not configured mode. If it is in enabled or disabled, change it to not configured. Then after tap on OK and close this one. So these are the methods you can follow to fix your administrative permission error in Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.